So in the last videos, we learned about the master data. We created the chart of account. Then we assigned the chart of account to the company code. We defined the account groups. We created the retained earnings. So we have one more option in the account group. Just come over here. Let me come to this window. Yes. So we defined the account groups over here. 5 account groups: asset, liabilities, expenses, income, and the secondary cost. We have given the range. The length of the GL is 6, which we defined in the chart of account. So you need to remember those things, because in the interview they will ask such questions where you will define the length of the GL, how we control, and here we can see one option, field status. So first we need to understand what is the use of this field status. So let me open one more window. You can click over here. It will open the new session. So new window in the SAP, you will get it. First we will define the GL. Then you will understand the use of field status. So for creating the new GL, the T code is FS00. Press enter. You can see the company code 1710. This data is already defined in the SAP by default. It is the standard or the best practice companies. You can see different groups already created, and when you click over here, there are a lot of GLs created. Once you double click on any GL, you will get related information on the right hand side. So you can see some tabs here: type, description, control, create, bank, keywords, and you can see some more data, more tabs by clicking over here. You can also see all the tabs by clicking this option, and you can select any. Go to the control. So these are the types, and you need to remember these also. At the beginner level, the interviewer can ask how many tabs are there and which is important. So you need to remember these 3 tabs: types, description, control, create GL, create, bank, and interest. So these 3 tabs are important. So come to the first one. Now you can see some options, some fields are there which we need to while creating the GL. So these all fields are controlled by the field status. Okay, come to, let me go by this way, and now select any group. Like asset, I'm selecting by clicking over here. Now click on the field status. So you can see account control, all the tabs are coming over here: account control, account management, document entry, bank, financial fields. So these are the tabs. Now click on account control. You can see all options. Currency, we can see account currency is coming over here, and this is optional entry here. This is the tax category, and this is the tax category field. So these fields are controlled using this field status. And here we have 4 options: suppress, required, option, display. Suppress means if you don't want to display or you don't want to see any field here, so you need to select suppress. If you select required, then user has to define any value in this particular field. Suppose I select required entry in the currency field. So when we create the new GL, it is mandatory for the user to define any account currency. If I select the optional, then it is not mandatory, it's optional whether any value has been defined in this or not. And display means it is only for the display. Okay, So these are the options, and that is very important. So, and you see this setting is on account chart of accounts level. In the company code 1710, the chart of accounts is different, and in our example, the chart of accounts is different. So don't confuse. Now I will maximize this, adjust the screen, and we will create our new GL by clicking over here and enter any account. So I am creating one account, enter the GL code and the company code SVIN or SVUS. Click over here and you got one option. Company code SVIN is not assigned to a field status variant. So first we need to define the field status variant, then only we can create. The field status which we learned earlier in this video is for controlling the field of the master record, but this field status variant is to control the field in the document entry. I'll show you the example. So now we cannot create the account because we have not defined the field status. Now go back. So for posting the document we use FB50. You can see this is the document entry screen. Here we have so many fields: document date, posting date, reference, header. These are the JLs, debit, credit, amount. So we are going to enter later on once we do the configuration part. So the fields which is mandatory, which is optional, which we need to suppress, all 4 options are available for this field status variant, so that these fields will be controlled using the field status variant, so which I'm going to create in the next video.